Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. It's me, Mrs. Magnus. Happy Monday. Woohoo! Another school week. We're ready to rock and roll. All right, guys. So today is the 5th, so make sure that when you are ready to work that you have 5, 4, 20. Okay, 5, 4, 20. And then, and make sure you have a pencil and let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. It says here, I'm going to get my lightsaber because I like the lightsaber. There we go. It says, use the model below to show an equivalent fraction to a half. Now remember, equivalent means what? Equivalent means equal to, right? So they already have this drawn for you. You just have to tell me what fraction equals a half, okay? Now, make sure that you color it in. Grab your favorite crayon. I would grab blue, because that's my favorite. Maybe yellow, right? But go ahead and grab your favorite crayon, color in a half, color in, I'm not going to tell you this answer here, but go ahead and do that one. All right, now let's look at the next one. Here, it says, what two equivalent fractions are modeled on the number line below? How do you know they are equivalent? Okay. So, I want you guys to label each little mark here, okay? Now, do we ever count 0? No, we do not. We do not count 0, but we do, however, count 1. So, you want to count each one. How many are total? That's going to be your denominator. And then what line is here? Okay, you want to do the same thing on the bottom. And then, in your very best words, I want you to explain, how do you know they are equivalent? And to start this, third graders, I'm going to help you start it. I want you to restate. I know they are equivalent because. I know they are equivalent because. Okay? I'll even write that for you. And I lost my little tool, so now I have to use my finger, so bear with me, guys. I know they are equivalent. Ooh, forgot my E. Equivalent. Ooh, this is really bad. Sorry, guys. I know they are equivalent because. And make sure that you write small enough that you can, of course, write your answer. Here we go. And then you guys continue with the sentence, of course. I know they are equivalent because. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So this one says, which model, let me grab my lightsaber again, which models have the same fractional part as figure Z? Okay, so what other figures here are equivalent to this one right here, okay, to figure Z? Select 2 correct answers. Okay. And then the next one says, use the model below to show an equivalent fraction to 3/6. Okay, here's 3/6. Again, grab that favorite crayon. You can even grab a different color if you want to. Grab purple, grab red, grab gray. I don't care what you grab. Just grab your favorite crayon. Color in your 3/6. Then go over here. Tell me what fraction is then equal to 3/6. Okay. So, that's today's math lesson, third graders. Here, I throw in here, excuse me, I did throw in your fraction strip bars. If you need them, go ahead and use them. If not, you guys go ahead and just finish this up. Make sure that you hop onto Prodigy today. Hop onto Prodigy. I'll make sure to put equivalent fractions on Prodigy so that you can continue practicing. I've been seeing a lot of you on there, but I'm still seeing a few that haven't hopped on. So please make sure you hop on after this. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.